Those are probably the best cookies you've never tried in your life yet. Super healthy and delicious. First, fry all types of nuts and seeds you have and love. Then grind them and add them to the bowl. Add coconut flour, coconut milk, 1 egg, or you can add 2 if you would like, 1 espresso shot, vanilla extract, and cinnamon powder. Add as much as you like. And of course, add soft dates cleaned from seeds and organic macadamia nut spread that has no sugar. Mix it all properly so it becomes one. Mix baking soda with vinegar and add it to the bowl. Then mix it again. Add oats and mix. I'm adding 1 spoon of flour to make it more solid so it doesn't break apart, but it's up to you. You can add any other flour or just add 1 more egg. Then add chocolate chips that don't consist of sugar, or if you would like, you can add regular ones. If you don't have any, that's not a big deal as it tastes amazing with or without them. Mix everything properly, and if you have time, it would be great to place that mixture in the fridge overnight or for a few hours for better taste, but it's totally up to you. It still tastes amazing if you bake it straight away. Bake it in the heated oven at 250 degrees, then change to 200 degrees and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. And voila, you have an amazing toffee healthy date chocolate chip cookies. Bon appetit!